Namaskar, I Amit Kumar welcome you all in IMD's weekly weather briefing. So in this video we will be seeing what weather has prevailed over India during last 7 days and then what will be the weather in next 14 days. Now on your screen you are looking at the map of heavy rainfall and above category. So you can see that during the week isolated heavy rainfall was observed over Andaman and Nicobar Islands on 30th of December. Now, the map which you are seeing on your screen shows you the spread of dense to very dense fog over India during past 7 days. So, in this map, you can see that starting from Jammu division of Jammu Kashmir till Bihar and West Bengal, you can see that the entire region was engulfed by dense to very dense fog on most of the days of the week. Over central India in Madhya Pradesh also, you can see that dense fog was observed from 3 to 4 days. Or in Odisha, on all the 6 days, you can see dense to very dense fog was observed. Over in northeast, if you see, then you can see that over Assam, Meghalaya and NMMT, you can see that most of the days of the week, dense to very dense fog was realized. Now, because of this prolonged fog and low cloud cover over most parts of East India, you can see that particularly over Bihar, East Uttar Pradesh, and then on some days over West Uttar Pradesh, you can see that cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed during the week. Severe cold day conditions also prevailed over Uttarakhand and West Madhya Pradesh for one day, and cold day conditions over Jharkhand for 1 day. Now, apart from cold day, now you are seeing the map of realized cold wave and severe cold wave conditions. So you can see that severe cold wave was not present in any part of the country during the past week. Cold wave conditions were present over Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Vidarbha, Telangana and NIK. So you can see that this year, instead of North India till date, the cold wave conditions were mainly present over Central and East India only. Now, if you look at the weekly average maximum temperature which was observed during the week, then you can see that the weekly maximum temperature was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees over most parts of North and Northwest India. It was below normal by 3 to 5 degrees over many parts of foothills of Himalayas and Northeast India. If you look at the weekly minimum temperature, then you can see that it was above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over most parts of Northwest India, North India and Northeast India during the week. It was below normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of central and adjoining East and South India. Now you can see on your screen the weekly rainfall map. So northeast monsoon activities continued to remain subdued over South Peninsular India during the week due to absence of any significant weather system impacting the area. So you can see that overall the rainfall was minus 95% below normal of below normal for this week. So you can see that over East and Northeast India, it was minus 85%. Over Northwest India, it was minus 99%. Over Central India, it was minus 100%. South Peninsular India, it was minus 88%. So you can see that in the map, you can see that 5 subdivisions are marked with yellow color, which represents large deficient rainfall, and 1 subdivision is marked with red color, which represents deficient rainfall. Now, if we look the seasonal rainfall scenario, then the current season was a post-monsoon season which prevails from 1st of October to 31st of December. So you can see that overall, as a country as a whole, the rainfall was 11% above normal. So against the normal of 121 mm, we have received 134.2 mm rainfall in all over the country. Also in this you can see that majority of the region in the country has received normal to above normal rainfall, and below normal deficient rainfall was observed over all the 3 subdivisions of Northeast India, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Madhya Maharashtra, North Interior Karnataka and Kerala. Now, if you look at the forecast for next 2 weeks, then under the influence of current western disturbance which is lying over Pakistan, North Pakistan and adjoining Punjab. So light rainfall may continue over isolated places of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand and adjoining plains. And apart from that, the rainfall will remain below normal over most parts of the country. If we talk about week 2, that is from 8th Jan to 15th of January, then under the influence of easterly winds, which will be strengthening during week 2, we will see normal to above normal rainfall, near normal rainfall over Tamil Nadu and Kerala during week 2. Apart from Tamil Nadu and Kerala, the entire country will receive below normal rainfall during week 2. Now, if we look at the minimum temperature forecast for next 2 weeks, then over most parts of the country, normal to below normal temperature will continue to prevail, and above normal temperature is expected over some parts of western Himalayan region, some parts of northeast India, and some parts of the south peninsular India. Over week 2, as there is no active western disturbance which will be prevailing over northwest India, so the winds will be northwesterly, and hence the minimum temperature will fall. So there is a likelihood of cold wave conditions over some parts of Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, North Madhya Pradesh, South Uttar Pradesh, North Chhattisgarh, West Jharkhand, and North Interior Odisha during week 2. So overall, if we see, then the minimum temperature will be below normal over most parts of the country during week 2, except some parts of western Himalayan regions. For next 2 weeks, there is no probability of cyclogenesis over any of the Indian basins. For the details of next 7-day weather forecast, you can go and see our daily weather bulletin video, which was uploaded today only, and the link of that video is given in the description. You can join us on our various social media handles and remain updated from our Mosam web page and Mosam app. नमस्कार, जय हिंद।